went to the school of C.F. Nielsen, how to make briquettes. The reason to make briquettes is to use the waste biomass to make logs for the consumer or industrial use. Advantage of having the briquettes is because you could use any kind of biomass to make briquettes in different shape, like round one, square one, round one with a hole, whatever market is achieving. The briquettes are made of different kind of biomass, which is the waste in different kind of production. For instance, the sawmills, the forestry industry, the big plantations of rice, agricultural waste, any kind of pineapple waste, whatever. The advantage of making the briquettes is to use the waste, biomass waste, to produce high value, caloric value products. They are environmental friendly because CO2 footprint is zero, because the briquettes are producing the same amount of CO2 when they're burning as the wood was taking during the lifetime. That means all what is burning is environmental friendly, and like I said, the calorific value of briquettes is 17.5 to 18.5 megajoules, which means 1 ton of briquettes could replace half ton of crude oil or 4 cubic meters of firewood. Make briquettes and be happy. Thank you.